You are amazing! Palakpakan natin. Amazing! Oh, it is my pleasure. It is my pleasure. Anytime you need me, you know that I'm always gonna be here. Whether to sing in your concert or just even to talk to me about anything and everything. I will always be.
So lovely to have the privilege to just share so many with you. Thank you so much.
It is an honor for me to be in your 15th year anniversary. Like I said, I think you are an amazing singer. You have so many talents. Grabe, you write songs, you play so many instruments, and not only that, you can act. You know, that's a magandang combination yun eh, diba? Oo, maarte lang.
Tsaka yung wala akong Miss Reg. Tingnan mo naman yung aking
Oo,
concert.
si Susan at si Amalia natin. Hello!
Miss Reg, thank you. I actually wanted to also remind everybody of Bisaya man si Miss Reg.
Bisaya! Uy! Salamat kaayo kay ano ba yan? Pinakanta mo ako doon sa Ihila. It's one of my favorite songs of hers. My favorite talaga na namalat ka nakakakanta kasi pajulit-julit ko pinapatugtog yung ano yung kanta? Yung...
I don't know. Do you have anything, Mr.
Yung kinanta natin dati.
Ay, yung ano?
Oo, yun.
Naging ka na lahat.
Oo, namalat ka din ko. Kasi pajulit-julit ko I love that song.
Me too.
And not only because it was such a great song, I think I loved it because I loved the way you sang it. It was very sincere, and the ad-libs in the end, yung saktong-sakto lang, yung hindi ka nagyayabang ng kaya ko to. Hindi, parang, eto yun.
Shoutout ka na rin po si Kuya Kiko Salazar, of course.
Yes, I think it's such a beautiful song and you sang it really, really well. I just want to say thank you for inviting me here. And yun nga, I just wanted to greet you happy anniversary. And I hope that you continue this journey. Madami ka pang mararating, marami ka pang may experience, mas gagaling ka pa. Yes, so, and I'm also very happy that your parents are here.
Yeah!
Asa man sila? Asa man? Oo ka na. Oo na. Hindi ay sila. Oy! Hello, oy! Hello!
Actually, beside to si Miss Risha, sobrang nag-check up on me during that time. Mari, okay ka na. Lalo na pag may napapasa si Miss Risha, like, Mari, nandito lang ako.
No, because I can relate. You know, and I also wanted to not just be a friend on stage, but also be involved, hopefully, in your lives. Yung mga kabataan ngayon, kasi syempre parang gusto kong maging tenga, maging boses ninyo, na gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na I really am just here. And I may not always be there, yung parang alam mo yung mga nakakadiring friend. So yung mga nakaganon, yung nakadikit sa'yo lagi. hindi ako ganong klaseng friend, but anytime you would need me for anything and everything, I will be here.
Thank you. So everybody, once again, Miss Regine Velasquez, ang ganda ko yung mga summer! Miss Reg,
Hi, Troy!
Miss Reg, syempre di pwedeng isang kanta na. Miss Reg, would you do me the honor to sing this very special song with